Okay, I have my Excel spreadsheet launch. Okay, and I place a bit of data here, some random number. Okay, so some random number over here. Okay, and of course you will notice that it is not sorted. Okay, right now over here this is the formula. So I'm using the small. Okay, but of course this one has a code, and this part here, okay, I'm trying to get this result. Right. So I'm going to copy this. Okay, I'm going to copy this and paste it here. Right. And of course, remove the code. Okay. Right. All right. So I get 4, and I'll do the same with this one over here. Okay. And I will remove the code as well, and I get 3. Right. So the answer that I get is actually correct. Right, so 4 and 3, but that doesn't explain how it works. Okay, small actually take the smallest number. Okay, but it does more than that because I have a range which is A2 to A10, which is this one. So it will take the smallest number from here, but how come 4 came out? Because I'm taking the fourth smallest number. See, there is a 2, there is a 3, and there is 2, 4. So if I sort this, okay, then of course the fourth smallest number is actually 4 because it will count for 2 times. Okay, then the second smallest number, which is second smallest number, is actually the smallest is 2, right? The next one is 3. Okay, so small allow you to pick up number, right? Smallest value, not okay, of something, a list, okay, based on what you want, like the smallest second, third, fourth, fifth, or the smallest tenth. Okay, without having to sort your data. So it's a very simple function to use, okay, but pretty useful.